Okay, welcome back to Gorilla Tag, everyone. Today we'll be playing hide and seek tag, and this guy is gonna try and tag us. So, and we're allowed to hide in forest, beach, and canyons. Actually, no, not canyons. Forest, beach, and city. What?
Just all the maps. All the maps.
Okay, we're allowed to hide in all the maps.
All the
We'll
maps.
hide in all the maps.
All the maps.
Gorilla.
Yeah. Okay.
And also, if you want to risk it, you can change your color
They
so
look intense.
you can like blend in with stuff,
There you go, Ben.
Okay.
or what else?
Okay. Well.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, guys. Do you want to switch your colors or anything? Because if you do it now. I'm gonna take off all my
Nah, we're good.
cosmetics.
I think,
I took off all my cosmetics.
Same here. Everyone move so I can take off my cosmetics.
My
No,
guy,
I
what
like
is your color
Dunstan.
code? What is your color code? What is that
what's my
code?
color code?
Yeah. What is it?
My color code is, 435.
4, 3, 5.
Oh my
Nice.
God.
He's my new brother. My brother. Brother.
I'll just want to stay red.
Brother.
Okay, so
Actually, no. I need to find the. Wait, do any of you guys know what the color code is like for like the amethyst?
Oh yeah, it's 273.
okay,
Brother.
okay, you need to count to 60. Like so count for 60 seconds. Okay, so when I say go, that's when you start counting to 60 seconds. Okay.
Okay, I'll just be
Alright,
looking
ready?
right here at the game.
Okay, 3, 2. Wait, is everyone here? Is everyone here? Wait, guy, come out of the water.
Everyone is here.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, you ready? Let's go.
You could start counting now.
1, 2,
Stop it.
He's counting.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Yes.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Okay, good. I thought I wasn't recording, but I am. I am recording.
I'll come to bed soon, okay? Just stop.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
How is he already at 30?
31, 32, 33, 34,
Yes.
36,
Ow, I just hit myself.
39,
Ow.
40,
Okay, that was painful, but who cares? I need to hide.
43,
Ow.
45, 46, 47.
That was painful. I hit myself on accident.
Wait,
It's
With-
okay.
oh yeah.
With the bottom of my controller right at the starting of my leg.
4,
Oh, that hurts.
5,
I could barely stand.
57,
Okay.
59, 60. 1 minute. Here I come.
Wait, how's he already at 60?
He's a fast counter.
I'm coming.
Oh God, he's coming.
Come here. I'm entering forest right now.
Oh God.
Where is everybody?
I feel like you're not gonna find me.
I bet you're in clouds.
How do you bet I'm in clouds? That's the worst map ever. To be honest, that's on my least favorite of my list.
Yep, you're on clouds. I can hear you.
Oh God, he's right there. He's right there.
You shouldn't have hid inside this hole. Come
What
here.
hole?
That hole. Here, whatever. Dude, where
Yes,
did
you tagged me. Yes.
Oh, have you not caught him yet?
you go? Bro, he just disappeared. Why does it sound like you guys are in canyons?
because we are.
What you're hearing, but
Yeah, I don't know what it feels like.
Yo, I literally just like dodged him. I jumped over him, and then I jumped off the whole map. I literally disappeared.
Nah, you guys are on top of stuff.
I don't exist. I don't exist. I don't
What?
exist. What the fuck? I don't exist.
What?
Is anyone on top of stuff? What the? Nah, someone
guys, I
must
think
have
I
went
just saw
back and beat.
Herobrine.
No, bro.
Oh God, I fell.
Lacking.
Oh, hi, Purple. Dude. You know I see you.
And you don't see my brother.
I'm not.
You
I'm
just
not.
see me.
I'm right behind you. Hi, buddy. You might want to run.
Oh God.
Hello,
Oh,
I'm
God.
back.
You're back?
Come on
What?
and help me.
I'll help you.
Who's back?
You guys, I'm back. Go touch it. Go check a beat. Who are you?
I am the person that joined before you guys, and I had to leave so that I can get my stuff ready for school.
Oh, you're back?
Hey, are you
Well,
at beach
I'm
right now?
cool is back.
I'm back.
Yeah, he joined before you guys, but then he had to leave.
Yeah. And then now I'm back in.
Well, I know you're in beach, dude.
I'm not in beach.
Cyan, I see you.
I saw you. No,
Found you.
Hide and seek tag.
no, I lost.
Okay, Jonathan, come out. You won.
Yay, I won. Join us back.
Jonathan, what map you in?
In cave.
He's in caves. I freaking knew it, but there was no one down there.
What?
Wait, someone's in caves?
Hiding.
Firstly, I was
Go, 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 guys, go.
Firstly, I was in beach map, then I was in forest, and then you found me, and then I skipped down into cave.
I live in
Well,
a
I
cave.
feel like that's a lie in mountains.
Well, not mountains right now. Even though it is a good map. Right now,
Okay, where is he?
I'm at stuff.
I don't know.
We need to finish this video soon.
Bro, I got the ultimate hiding spot, my guy.
I'm in forest.
Oh. But you just said you were in caves.
Hi guys.
Oh, it's not the cave.
Yes, I tagged him. I tagged him.
Nope, he tagged me
Hey, where
actually.
did we meet up
Yes.
then?
Okay. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Bye-bye.
What?
Okay, guys, we're finishing the video.
This is great. Go count to 1 minute inside of caves.
Guys, we finished the video. Okay,
I mean, not
bye-bye,
in caves,
guys.
I mean in beach.
Hope you had a good time watching this video. Bye-bye. We're done.